Hi, welcome to Little Champs Learning. In this lesson, we will learn all about triangles. As the name suggests, it has three angles. It is bounded by three line segments and it is a closed figure and flat figure too. Let's see how to classify triangles. Triangles can be classified depending on their sides and depending on their angles. Depending on the sides, we have three types of triangles, whereas depending on their angles, also we have three types of triangle. So, out of these two branches, total we can classify triangles into 6 different types. Now, let's see how to classify the triangles on the basis of their angles. To see that, we need to get back to our roots or basics. In angle lesson, we have seen three types of basic angles, which were acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. What if we make the third line segment and close this figure? So now we have three new different triangles and we can name them according to name of their angle only. So we have acute angle triangle, a right angle triangle and an obtuse angle triangle. That's super easy, isn't it? Now, remember, we have made a triangle by closing the third line segment. So now we have three angles in each triangle, right? The one angle is known to us, which is like the name which we gave to the triangle. And now we are left with two more angles in every triangle. And let me tell you, the new two angles made in the triangles will always be acute angles, right? So here, let me summarize it. If we take an acute angle triangle, so one angle is acute and the other two new angles formed would be acute too. In right angle triangles, we have one right angle and the other two would be acute. And in obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse and the other two would be acute. So we can make out that in acute angle triangle, all three angles are acute. In right angle triangle, we have one right angle and the remaining two angles are acute. In obtuse angle triangle, one angle is obtuse and the remaining two angles would be acute. Therefore, to figure out the type of triangle, we need to look carefully at all the angles of a triangle. If you spot obtuse or a right angle triangle, then obviously you know the name of these triangles. But if you don't find any of these, then you know that the triangle would be acute angle triangle. Alright, let's glide towards the classification of triangle on the basis of their sides. In this, we can have three different cases. In first condition, we can see here all the sides of a triangle are of equal length. When you have such triangle, the name is equilateral triangle, where all the sides are equal. In the second case, the two sides of a triangle could be equal and the third could be different. So you have the name isosceles triangle. The name is little difficult, isosceles triangle. If we change the position of the vertex, now we have three different sides of these triangle and the name is scalene angle triangle. Let's revise. Equilateral triangle has three equal sides. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides and scalene triangle has no equal sides. Now let's see how to use them together in the triangle. So we have three types of triangle based on their sides: scalene, isosceles and equilateral, and based on their angles we have acute, obtuse and right angle triangle. Let's see the case of equilateral triangle. So in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So all angle must be equal too. We can have only acute angle triangle in such case because obtuse and right angle triangle required at least one angles to be obtuse or right. which cannot satisfy the condition of all angle and all sides equal. So we have equilateral triangle of only one type, that is acute angle triangle. A scalene triangle can be acute or obtuse too. A scalene triangle can be of right angle type too. In isosceles triangle, we can have acute or obtuse like this. In one special case, isosceles triangle can be right angle and is known as isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so this was all about classification of triangle. Let's revise. Classification of triangle: on the basis of angles we have acute, obtuse and right angle triangles. On the basis of sides we have equilateral, isosceles and scalene angle triangle. In acute angle triangle all angles are acute. In obtuse we have one obtuse angle and in right we have one right angle triangle. Basis of the sides: equilateral, all sides equal; isosceles, two sides equal; and scalene, all three sides are different. There is one more important thing we need to discuss about triangle is about the measurement of it. As we know, triangles have three angles and angles can be measured in degree. The three angles have some degrees. One important characteristic of triangles is the sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, no matter what type of a triangle it is. Knowing the fact that all angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree, this can really be helpful in geometry. If you know measure of any two angles of a triangle like this, you can find the third by using this property. So I think we are done with triangles. I hope this is helpful. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my videos. Thank you so much.